I hope you are good at your places. Now, today you must be wondering that why man has kept so many objects on the table. Now, I am going to show you few objects. For example, these blocks. You must have played with these blocks in your childhood. Ball, orange, pomegranate, some bottles and crayons. Favorite colors, duster, color box, this one more block and this birthday cap, cone and a funnel. Have you noticed this? Do you think that all the objects which I kept on the table are same? No, these objects are different from each other. ये सब जो चीज़ें मैम ने टेबल पे रखी है वो क्या है, एक दूसरे से अलग है. Suppose this block and this block, they are different from each other. So every object has its name. Every object has its own shape and name. Okay. Now you must be wondering the shapes which ma'am has shown us. Which shape are they? They are solid shapes. They are solid shape because you are not able to break them easily. आप क्यों है solid वो? क्योंकि आप उन चीज़ों को जो भी मैम ने आपको दिखाई है उनको आप easily नहीं तोड़ सकते हैं. Solid shape have 3 measurement. Solid shape में क्या होती है? 3 measurements होते हैं, length, breadth and height. So a solid shape is also known as 3-dimensional or 3D shape. In previous video I told you about 2D shape where we are having only length and breadth. 2D shapes में क्या होती है? सिर्फ length और breadth होती है. But in 3D shape you will have a height also. आपकी height भी add होगी इसमें, length, breadth and height. Now let's read more about it. Now see, these are some 3D shapes. First is cuboid, sphere, cone, cube and cylinder. First is cube. Now cube, you will see it, you will think that it is looking like a square. आप सोच रहे होंगे ये तो square जैसा लग रहा है. Yes, it is like a square, but it is not a square. Square was very thin. Now I will tell you some story about cube. Cube के बारे में मैं आपको एक story बताऊंगी, a short story. First, cube was a baby. Cube क्या था? Square क्या था? Baby था. First, square was a baby. Square छोटा baby था. Then he started eating food. उसने क्या किया? खाना खाना start किया. और खाना खा के वो क्या हो गया? Tall. Same like you. If you will also eat proper meal, you will become tall. तो आप भी जैसे tall हो जाते हैं वैसे ही square क्या हो गया? Tall. और tall होके क्या बन गया वो? Cube. See, you can see the height of the cube. Cube की height देख सकते हैं आप कितना बड़ा है cube. But do you think square is same like cube? No, square was very small and thin. वो बहुत छोटा और पतला था. But cube is very tall. So now I am going to show you how you can draw cube on paper. First you have to make a square. As I told you in my previous video that the square has all the sides equal. Square की क्या होती है? चारों sides equal होती है. If I will take this 3 centimeter, this will also be 3, this will also be 3 and this will also be 3. Now to make a cube, we have to make one another square. क्यूब बनाने के लिए हमें कितने स्क्वायर बनाने हैं? 2. Okay, then what we will do? We will join these vertex. 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to tell you more about cube. अब cube के बारे में मैं आपको और बताऊंगी कि क्यूब में क्या क्या चीजें होती है. Now we read about faces, edges and vertex of cube. Faces, edges and vertex of cube. Cube के faces, edges और vertex के बारे में अब हम पढ़ेंगे. You can see that our first shape is cube. Now I am going to tell you what are faces. How you can see faces on the object. Now This is one face. Its opposite you will take. Then this is our second face. This is our third face. Opposite we'll see. This is fourth one. This is fifth one. And this is our sixth. So how many faces does this square have? 6. Okay. Now moving to our next thing, that is edges. Now what are edges? These lines. Wherever I have drawn the line, these are our edges. ये हमारी क्या है? Edges है. So let's count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then turn it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges are there? 12. Now next is vertex. Now let's count vertex. See these corners. ये जो आपको corners दिख रहे हैं ना, ये हमारे vertex हैं. Now let's count vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many vertex are there? 8. Now, I hope you understand this faces, edges and vertex of cube. See, these corners, this pointed corner, they are our vertex. ये क्या है हमारे vertex है. You can see how many faces does this cube have? 6. Edges 12 and vertex 8. Now let's see 3D cube shape objects. Now these are the objects which you have seen in your day to day life. आपने अपने day to day life में ये देखे होंगे. For example cube, for example dice, Rubik's cube, box, ice cube and blocks. Now find out cube shape object. अब हमें क्या करना है इसमें? There are many different types of objects I have placed. Now what you have to do? You have to find out the cube shape object. आपको क्या करना है इसमें? जो cube shape के objects है वो ढूंढना है. Is this cube? 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 Or is this cube? क्या ये cube है? Now let's find out. Yes, our dice is of cube shape, ice cube and box. Yes, correct. Now next is our cuboid. Earlier its name was rectangle. Cuboid का name पहले क्या था? Rectangle था. You can see ना ये किसकी तरह दिख रहा है? Rectangle की तरह दिख रहा है. So its name was rectangle. पहले वो rectangle था. When he started eating food, फिर इसने भी खाना start किया और rectangle has become tall और rectangle क्या हो गया? Tall हो गया. Like you people. तो you can see the height of the cuboid. Cuboid की आप height देख सकते हैं. And rectangle became a cuboid. Rectangle क्या बन गया बड़ा हो के? Cuboid बन गया. Now see, let's cuboid. First we will draw a rectangle. पहले हम क्या ड्रॉ करेंगे? Rectangle. As I told you, in rectangle opposite sides are equal. जो opposite sides होती हैं वो equal होती है. If I will take this line 2 centimeter, this will also be 2 centimeter. And if I will take this 5 centimeter, this will also be 5 centimeter. ये दोनों and ये दोनों will be equal. So now to make a cuboid, we will draw 2 rectangles as we have done in cube. So we will draw 2 rectangles like this. Then what we will do? What will join the corners like this. So this is our cuboid. Now we read more about cuboid. Faces, edges and vertex of cuboid. अब हम faces, edges and vertex पढ़ेंगे किसके? Cuboid के. Now let's begin. Now cuboid face. Face जैसे आपको पता है, face क्या होता है? आपका चेहरा. तो ये क्या है इसका चेहरा, जो फ्रंट होता है आपका. अब आप इसको कितनी तरीके से यूज़ कर, आप इसको ऐसे भी खड़ा कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी खड़ा कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी खड़ा कर सकते हैं, स्टैंडिंग में भी खड़ा कर सकते हैं. तो जिस पोजीशन में जिसका भी आप सपोर्ट लेके खड़ा करेंगे, दैट इज योर फेस. ओके. नाउ एजेस. व्हाट आर एजेस? एजेस होते हैं किनारे. जैसे ये क्या है? किनारे. 1 2 3 4 ये क्या है? इसके किनारे हैं. यहाँ पे भी देखिए ये क्या है? किनारे. नाउ वर्टेक्स, ये जो कोने, ये जो साइड आप पॉइंटेड देखते हैं ना, जो पॉइंटेड प्लेस होता है हमारे किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट में, वो होता है वर्टेक्स. Now let's count how many faces are there in cuboid. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many faces are there? 6. Okay. Now next is edges. Let's count edges. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. How many edges are there? 12. So let's count, right? 12. Now vertex. Let's count vertex. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many vertex are there? 8. I hope you have understood. Now let's revise. How many faces does cuboid have? 6. Vertex 8. How many vertex? These are vertex. ये जो है ना, ये vertex. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now how many edges? 12. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. How many are there? 12. So 3D cuboid shape object. Now these objects you must have seen in your day to day life. ये भी normal objects हैं जो आपने अपनी day to day life में देखे होंगे. First is your bricks, second is your duster, third is your sponge or Scotch Brite which your mama used to wash dishes, जिससे मम्मा बर्तन साफ करती है. Fourth is your matchbox, fifth is your book and sixth is your block. Now find out cuboid shape objects. अब हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे cuboid shape objects को ढूंढना है. Now different types of object I have placed here. You have to find out the cuboid shape objects. Now first is your cone, second is your microwave, third is your kite, fourth is your sponge, fifth is your ball and the sixth is your matchbox. So let's see. Microwave, sponge and your matchbox is of cuboid shape.